Welcome back to the Race to Cafe. Today we'll be working on the wheel bearings. I've already taken these two out. See that in a minute. I'm going to clean them, I'm going to paint them, I'm going to paint some other stuff, and then we can start getting this big mess of parts back onto the frame, which is exciting. As an update for what I've been doing the last few weeks, it's been really cold, but I did manage to get the frame stripped and repainted, so now I can start getting some of the stuff back on it and see what this thing's going to look like. So, thanks for tuning in.
Roll the dice. The latest craze of the dance floor days is right here in my pocket. Now there are things that can give you wings, but I'll give you a rocket.
This is going to require a tool that's a lot stronger.
Beer?
Mm-hmm. Some beer and a little bit of heat. This whole time, I thought I was hitting the bearing. This is going through it, going to my cable.
No jelly beans on the mezzanine. Don't hit the pipe if you ain't right. So blow your wig if you really did. Let's lose control, let the good times roll. It's all around the sight and sound.
Yes! Woo! I had to move!
Come and try my Dixie biscuit. Oh, you can lose, so why not risk it? Yeah. Come and try my Dixie biscuit. Oh, you can lose, so why not risk it? Come and try my Dixie biscuit. Oh, you can lose, so why not risk it? Yeah. Come and try my Dixie biscuit. Oh, you can lose, so why not risk it?
Round two. That hurt a lot.
What did I think first you say it? What did I think then you say it? That queer melody. Well, what did I think? What did I think then you sing it? What did I think then you swing it? That funny old tune will drive me through.
Whoa. What just happened? Wow.
What did I think first you play it? What did I think then you say it? That queer melody. Well, what did I think? What did I think then you sing it? What did I think then you swing it? That funny old tune will drive me through. It came along and made me a slave. Now I'm craving things that I should crave. It came along and made me a slave. Now I'm craving things that I should crave.
So now what's left is the tires. And with the magic of editing, I'll save you from this fresh hell I put myself through. I'll enjoy it. Oh look, tires! Man, lines look good. Yum. Thanks for watching.